This is Google DeepMind. Google DeepMind is a company within Google that is focused mainly on AI technologies, and it conducts a lot of research on the artificial intelligence, and the company actually uses technologies like machine learning and deep learning and all that. Now imagine having engineers from DeepMind coming up with a system called Hyper. While this is not so popular at the moment, when you read what Hyper is about, you will find out that it was found by some alumni from Google DeepMind, TikTok, and top research labs from academia, which makes it really interesting and worth checking out, right? So it's why in this video, what I want to do now is to just sign up, go through this, and we would see how it works together. So let's go. So the first thing you would need to do is just go on to Haiper AI, and it's going to take you to a page like this. And signing up is really easy. You just need to click on login, and the easiest way is just to use your Google account to log in. Now, after logging in for the first time, you are going to be welcomed, by the way, by 300 credits. So I used up some of the credits while testing the system. Now, what I intend to do is to run the same prompt to generate text to image on Hyper AI and compare it with arguably one of the best text to image generators using AI, and that is drumroll Leonardo AI. So I'm just going to use the same prompt. What I did was to come to ChatGPT and just requested for two prompts, one for image generation and the other for video generation. So the prompt for image generation is what I'm going to copy here and just paste it here to use in Hyper AI. And we're just going to leave these options as they are. This is landscape and everything looks well. We can increase the resolution to 1080p, which would cost us 4 credits, but we need the clarity also for us to be able to compare it properly with Leonardo. And then I'm just going to create. When you hit the create button, it's going to generate 4 different images for the same prompt at once. And what we are to test out right now is how fast this works. This is already at 36%, but then in Leonardo AI, inputting the same prompt gives us these images, and Leonardo doesn't disappoint when it comes to things like that. So this is high resolution, and you can use these images to do some really high level graphic work as you wish. But then we're not here to talk about Leonardo, we're just here to compare these outputs. Okay, so this is done, and these are the images we have. We chose 1080p for each, and this is not bad. These are outputs from Leonardo AI, and they are Leonardo AI images, so you shouldn't expect anything less. And these, I don't know what you think about this, but these look really nice. I mean, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, so these are actually very usable, and all you need to do if you want to get the images is just to hit on the download button. There is a button here that you can use to convert this to image, to video, I mean, and it's something that Leonardo has a feature of, and I think it's this generate motion video, and it just generates a very short video from the image itself, not necessarily adding so much motion, but just changing some camera angles and making it look like the image is a b-roll from a particular video. Now the next thing we want to try is to use the video aspect. So there's a video prompt that we have here, and what better tools do we have to compare than Luma AI from Dream Machine as well as Morph Studio? So I'm just going to copy this prompt and paste it right over here. And we're not going to use the enhanced prompt feature. I am going to just check the loop button and generate from Luma AI, and then use the same prompt to generate this same video for 4-second duration, and motion we're going to leave it at 7 in Morph Studio. So I'm just going to hit the generate button, and then we're going to use the same prompt to generate text to video on Haiper AI. And from here, all we need to do is paste and submit. So I want the highest quality available, and it's HD. And just take a look at this. Generation is free when you want to do text to video, which is surprising. And it's only when you want to extend the duration to like 8 seconds, that's when you are charged up to 40 credits. But I think 4 seconds would be good to compare with the 4 seconds that we have here. And Luma AI is giving us an error, and let's just give it a try one more time. We just wanted to have something from some of the best text to video generators to compare with. All right, so Luma AI is already has already queued up the process, and as I remember, Luma AI runs really slow. So for speed, let's see if Haiper AI would beat that. And Morph Studio is already on 25%, and Haiper AI is currently just on 10%. And let's see when it's done. I'm gonna pause the video and come back when it's done. All right, just to give you the progress, Morph Studio is on 64%, and surprisingly, Luma AI is already done with the video, and Hyper AI is on 78%. So speed-wise, Luma seems to be faster now. I'm surprised, really. And looks like Hyper might even finish before Morph Studio. And let's just go ahead and check out the video made by Luma Labs. I'm just gonna open this, and for this I am eager to see how this compares to these that have been here before it. And this is disappointing from Morph Studio. It's still at 60+%. And this is output from Luma AI. Wow, this is nice. I mean, it's a very good video, and looks very useful. I mean, usable. This is something that can be used in a movie trailer once you have the right sound in the background. For Hyper AI, it just finished, and Morph Studio is still at 60+%. Let's see the video, the 4-second video produced by Hyper AI, and let's play it and see. Oh, this is nice. I mean, they're all yeah, some of them have some details that when you look up close, you're going to see that some things are missing or hidden. But the thing is, because this is 4 seconds, it's very difficult to pick out some of those things, and that's why this is a very good video. The output is also impressive compared to when compared to outputs like this, it actually has like a very similar quality. The motion is different, by the way, but and hey, Morph Studio decided to join the party. So is it ready, or do we still need it to finish some processing? And now these are the features that I feel are worth checking out in Haiper AI. All right, so this is Morph Studio's version of the video using the same prompt, by the way. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and play it in full screen. So this is wow, this is terrible. What just happened here? So it can't even handle 4 seconds. Anyway, this isn't a video about Morph Studio. The other features that you can try within Hyper AI are features like the video enhancer, the extend duration. By extend duration, it means you already have a video and you just want to extend how long the video plays. The image to video option is great. The video to video is a confusing feature that I haven't really thought of a use case for it, because it still, after uploading the video, so let's just say I upload a functional video. Now it will still require you to type in a prompt to describe this video. So assuming I paste the same prompt, it's not going to be the same as the extend feature for Luma AI, because Luma AI's extend feature is just as straightforward as you telling it to extend this video. You can decide to leave this empty, and I feel this is something that Hyper should adopt, because you can't just go ahead and extend without typing a prompt. It's going to tell you to input your prompt. But then with Luma, if you have nothing else to say, as long as you have the video, it's going to be creative. And what I always say about AI systems is the best way to get the best output is to leave most of the creativity to the AI, because it's going to know where to fix some things. But unless if you want some very specific result, you don't really need to um, twist its arm and tell it go this way. And that's just what Hyper AI does. Most of the features are very similar to what we've already seen in other AI generators. The image to video is one that Leonardo has done for months now. The text to video is one that Luma or Morph Studio or some other video generators have done. And then the extend feature is a feature that is still within tools like Luma. Text to image is the most popular one. And then video enhancer just helps you convert your existing videos to the maximum that you can do for now is 1080p. So if your initial generation was already in 1080p, there's no need for enhancing, because that's the maximum that Hyper AI can do. So that's just everything that you need to know about Hyper AI. It's free to join, it's free to log in, and the pricing options are actually affordable depending on your region. But then $8 per month, and for the pro version is $24 per month. For the free version it's $0, which means it's forever free, but then you have a limit of 5 creations per day, and when you sign up for the first time you get 300 credits. So I'm not sure if these credits are credits that will renew monthly automatically or not, but it's confirmed that it's not credits that would renew daily, because if they would renew daily, then this would have been 300 from the start of this video. So that's just everything you need to know. Let me know what you think about this system. I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.